Zach here with SMARTMOVE Inspection. Today we're going to do a quick and practical video on how to caulk windows. Learning how to do this will increase heating efficiency and decrease chances of rot around the windows. One of the keys is using a good quality silicone sealant. And you want to cut the tip of your sealant at an angle. Just like that. Gives it a nice angle to allow it to get into the bead up against the window and the blocks or up against the siding. You'll need to puncture the inner seal of your caulking. This will allow the caulking to come out smoothly. Place it in the caulking gun. Put the tip to where you have the 45s up against the window and the block, and then slowly pull the trigger as a bead of caulk comes out. You want to make sure that you seal up all of the crack as you come along, and then afterwards take your finger and bring it right along to smooth the bead. This will give the professional appearance on here, and it will also keep any kind of moisture from getting back behind the windows or any heat loss from there.